welcome back. We have East West Wellness here, Dr. Yi-Wing Tong. Well, welcome back. How are you doing?
Good.
You look great.
Thank you.
And I know you're going to tell us how,
Yeah.
and I know you're going to tell us how you do all of that.
I'll look better next year.
You're going to look better next year.
I'm going to look younger next year.
Even younger. Well, I like the fact that you're setting the clock back.
No
That's
kidding.
awesome.
Yeah.
Well, good. Well, let's talk a little bit about, well, today is anti-aging.
Yes.
And you're going to tell us how you do that so we don't have to have Botox and a variety of the other things, right?
Yes.
Okay, so tell me a little bit about kind of the history of why you started to get into this type of business.
Well, when I went to USC Medical School, I found out that drug was no good. Yeah, you treat the symptom, you have a lot of toxic effects. So I went to anesthesia. And later on, I get into Chinese medicine. And I found out that Chinese knew a lot more than we do.
Right.
The most important thing they knew was that we are spirits. We are a non-physical living being that makes the body and sustain the health of the body. Okay, so they call this the chi, the life that make up the spirit, chi.
Right.
Okay, chi is what you lose when your physical body die.
Okay.
Okay, you don't lose any DNA, you don't lose any stem cell, you don't lose anything physical.
Right.
But when the spirit separate from the body no longer function and start rotting. Okay. Scientifically, the physical world goes into disorder all the time. But the spiritual world, your spirit remains in order, remains alive, eternal.
Okay.
And when you lose this source of life that sustains health, your body rots.
Okay, so we can harm our spirit.
Yeah, you can harm your spirit by all the stress. Okay,
Gotcha.
all the pollutions, all the physical stuff that we don't know, cell phones, 5G, chemicals,
Right.
GMOs, vaccines, and all those non-physical stuff that are not made by Western called God, okay? And we put all the things that we don't need, and that's what separate our body from this spirit, okay?
Okay.
Our body have a set of meridians. They are antennas, heart meridian, lung meridian, and so forth. Your spirit out in space consists of heart chi, lung chi, kidney chi, liver chi.
Right.
Heart chi enter here and go into the heart.
Okay.
The chi, the life energy, went to your body and make your body warm. The warmth open up capillaries. So the chi open up circulation.
Okay.
And that circulation is like traffic in the world.
Right.
As long as you keep the traffic open, the society is healthy.
Right.
So as long as you keep the meridians open, the chi open up circulation, go to the heart.
Okay.
And the chi make the body, enable the body to feel love, joy, and laughter.
Well, while you're on the warmth, let's show the slide that we have,
that's a good idea.
Because that will help us identify kind of what was
Absolutely,
before
thank
and
you.
after. Would that be okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so here we have the baseline,
Yes.
and then 30 minutes later. So tell me what's happening in this slide.
Okay, I was demonstrating bringing the chi, opening all the channels. So on the left side, the yellow one's cold. Okay, after 25, 30 minutes, the right side is all warm.
And that's from what?
From the capillaries opening up.
Is that from the injection that you do?
No.
No, okay,
Yes,
so what is this from?
From my exercise. They call Qi Gong.
Oh, gotcha,
Okay, Qi exercise. Gong is Kung Fu.
Okay, gotcha.
Okay, so when you open it up, so you make circulation, you keep doing this, and your face have a lot of circulation all the time. I do this all the time.
Okay,
But that is weak, and you cannot block big emotional trauma and big chemical toxin and stuff like this. So you need acupuncture and my injection treatment.
Right,
okay?
to help that continue.
Exactly, okay?
Okay.
On the very severe blocks, I use a little Novocaine. 1 cc, actually called Marcaine, and the 11 cc is saline.
Right.
That open the freeway, the meridian freeway, 99 to 100%.
Right.
So very powerful, you get immediate effects, okay? But anyway, what I did wrong was that I discovered this 25 years ago, and I could even emit my chi. I could move people 9 feet.
Oh, you did say that.
9 feet behind their back. So I was so excited. I say the Chinese were not making this up. Okay, it's real. The chi is from your mind, because I use your mind as a magnetic power. Okay, so I use that to treat people every day. I thought I was superhuman. It was stupid. Every day I drained my life. So for the last 20, and then I collapsed. For the last 25 years, I got really, really sick.
Right.
And the only thing that helped me was the injection. I went to Beijing, Hong Kong, and so forth. But anyway, I restored my health. Okay. And during that time, and if you can show the picture, my wife and I, so she looked like my daughter now because I got so old. Right? And in fact, you later on, you'll see some ugly picture of me. You probably took away.
Well, we may have. I'm not sure, but we do.
Took away, okay?
But you know, the other one that we showed was showing you, and obviously we have you here today.
Yeah.
And your skin looks a lot better now than it did before.
When you look at the picture next to my the Qigong thing, okay, this one is in 06. And then 2 years ago is the one that you see like a youngster. That was me. So now my wife and I are more close to be like husband and wife. Okay. But anyways, and recently, okay, so the first thing is that you got to have tune up to get your circulation to your organs, heart, lung, liver, kidney, spleen, all working, so that the heart deal with the face, deal with the vessels, the spleen deal with muscles, liver deal with tendons, okay? So you want the whole body working.
Right.
And then we got some home remedies.
I saw that. What is the body derm gel? What's that?
The body derm is homeopathic growth hormone. And I found it very, very amazing. And I have been only using this for 5 days, okay? I had prostate problem. Like 5 years ago, my PSA was 11. I was getting up 10 times, 11 times a night. And then I used my injection and get it all better. But last year, I have a lot of trouble, emotional stress. My mother was dying and she passed away in September. So that get my prostate problem came back now. I get up before using the homeopathic growth hormone. I was getting up 4 to 6 times, always, every night.
Right.
That was annoying, okay? The last 5 days I used this homeopathic. Now homeopathic means that there is no growth hormone in the solution, in the gel.
There is
only
no growth
the
hormone?
Qi. Only the Qi, okay?
Okay.
They dilute out until the molecule less than the avocado's number. So there's no molecule in there. There's nothing in there, okay? It's all Qi. So you cannot ruin the balance. If you use growth hormone, you ruin the balance, okay? The Qi make the gland secrete growth hormone 1, growth hormone 2, so secrete the balance what the body needs.
Right, and how long, so once you started using this, how long was it before you saw results?
I felt the effect the first day.
Wow.
So the last 5 days, I got up one time in 4 days.
Okay.
And in 1 day, 0 time.
That's great.
I'm not kidding, okay? So it really helped your reproductive organ and your urination control, and that would be good for people who have I haven't found that too effective yet on the like urgency. I still have urgency, okay? But I can hold my bladder urine for like 8 hours.
That's
7
good.
to 8 hours.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Well, let's let people know how they can get in touch with you. So if you want more information about this, you can call 714-556-8664, or you're now doing a blog.
Yes.
Right? So you can go to drtong.com and they'd be able to see your blog. And pictures probably too of your before and afters.
Yes, I have a lot of articles that tells the truth about medicine that you can follow.
Good. Well, thank you so much. I love it. Can't wait to see you next time. I bet you'll look younger.
Not quite yet.
Okay.
We'll give you some time, yes.
All right, very good. Thank you so much.
Okay.
And remember, if you want to turn back the clock, you can always contact them at East West Wellness, and we'll be right back.